So here is the hole for the throat of the smoker. Now I've been doing some test runs. This thing is not fully welded, and I do have a gap right here that I've just kind of filled in with some TIG welding steel wire. And that's the only spot. So that's why I was saying you can't necessarily do a big football shape, but to get your shape, first you need to start out with, whenever this thing is on the ground, take a ruler, go up and find your measurement for your door line right here, okay? And then you just go up with a ruler off the ground, and then you take and measure all the way around, and that is your perfect center right there. All right, and then you kind of take this line right here and you bring it over here and match it up right there. So that is where the dead center is for the horizontal line and the vertical line. All right, now I go down 10 inches from that into the center, drill a hole, and then I take and use my tape measure, my round ruler, the pipe tape measure, and I go over 10 inches all the way around until I get a perfect circle. And what I'm talking about, if the center was right here and this wasn't cut out, I would just take my tape measure and just go over 10 inches all the way around. Now it's not gonna match up perfectly for an elliptical to an elliptical, so you're gonna have to do a little bit of play and a little bit of adjustment and kind of shave out the sides a little bit and just work with it. And that's all there is to it. There's really nothing else that you can do to make it easier. Mine, I mean, look at this thing. It's just literally thrown together. I got 1/4-inch plate. I got a temporary door. Mine is not completed. It's on there pretty straight. It's on there pretty good. Just line it up to the best that you can. And then of course you do need to do a pretty decent size for the throat inlet right here. It needs to be something sufficient enough to go with the smokestack, and it'll work out great. So yeah, if you guys have any confusion, please let me know and I will show you how to do it. I will explain it in better detail. I don't think it can get easier than that. So all right guys, take care.